Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad 330. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're unable to access your data, it can be incredibly frustrating. This issue often arises due to a failing hard drive or corrupted files. If left unresolved, it could lead to permanent data loss or further complications with your device. In this video, we will help you understand how to address this problem effectively. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a spudger or plastic opening tool, and a replacement hard drive if necessary. First, ensure that your Lenovo Ideapad 330 is powered down and unplugged. Place it on a soft, static-free surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws on the back panel of the device. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently use the spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force as this could damage the casing. Now that you have access to the internal components, locate the hard drive. It is typically secured with a couple of screws. Remove these screws to free the drive from its compartment. Carefully disconnect the cable attached to the hard drive by pulling the connector straight out. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the hard drive is disconnected, replace it with the new one by reversing the steps. Secure it with the screws, and reconnect the cable ensuring a snug fit. After replacing the hard drive, gently replace the back panel of the Lenovo Ideapad 330, ensuring that all clips are aligned properly. Reinsert the screws you previously removed to secure the back panel. Finally, power on your device to check that everything functions correctly. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. To prevent similar problems in the future, ensure you regularly back up your data and run diagnostic checks on your hard drive. Keeping your device clean and free from dust can also prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.